verification is not working when I try to take the selfie. So it's not like recognizing my face. And for some reason now my account is like suspended or blocked or something. I already sent like two emails to the support team in Upwork, but I have no answer. I already tried with the chat, the AI chat, and the AI chat actually sent me a message telling me that it's blocked because of the verification process. So I don't know what to do there.
Oh, so is this the first time you're creating an Upwork profile or you had accounts previously?
No, this is my only profile, but this is the
Mhm.
first time that I tried to verify the profile. So I don't know how can I unblock my
Okay.
profile.
Are you sure it's suspended?
Yep. When I try to apply to any post or job offer there, I'm not able. The button is disabled and it says that my account is suspended. And when I
Can you share a screen, Carlos, so we can see what you're
Yes,
talking?
please.
yeah, sure. A second. Uh, there, this one. So see, it's a action required. Verify your identity here. And let's say that I open this one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This
Okay, for the
replace me.
start, mm-hmm. All right. So for the start, I recommend you clean the cache and cookies, the browsing history, and try the verification again.
No, but the verification process is something that I need to complete using my mobile device. I need to use
Mm-hmm.
my camera there and take a picture. But for some reason, it's not recognizing my face. I already sent like a couple of emails to where is the support? Here.
So let's
I
see.
think I don't remember where is it. Support.
Yes, their contact support.
And here is my ticket open, but I don't have like any answer yet. See, I have like three messages in the
Mm-hmm.
row. It was the last response, but it's not working. So I don't know what to do in this case. I don't know if I need to close maybe this ticket and open a new one again so they can maybe contact me something.
Maybe it's actually the first time I'm seeing this problem. So this is something that only support team can help you with, I guess.
Okay.
So yes, if the follow-up doesn't work, yes, you should close the ticket and open another one. And they're usually quick to respond, like within 24 hours they respond. Don't know what's the problem, why they're not responding, but every ticket is being responded. That's what I know about Upwork.
I will make
Yeah,
another ticket in that case. Thank you.
yeah, sure. Keep us posted. Uh, so yeah, we'll see how we can help you further if that doesn't work. But I'm sure they'll answer every support ticket.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions since you are since you are gonna leave early?
No, I think I don't have any question for the moment. I will create a new post in the school related to the queries that I'm using to find
Mhm.
some jobs because right now I'm not seeing like a lot of offers that catch my attention. So probably I will need to make some changes in the way that I'm searching, but I will create the post in a few minutes.
Yeah, we can actually
Okay.
help you right now, Carlos, if you want, because I know that you're being stuck with the queries right now. So um, use the scenes help, so we know what you're doing, so we can actually help you right now, and then you post it. All right.
Okay, give me a second. Um,
So, Carlos, specifically, what is the context? What have you been doing? Get us up to speed so we can understand what you're doing, and then
um,
uh, what's the problem? Okay.
well, I have these 5 safe searches, so I
Mm-hmm.
go each day and I search by this, but I'm using this query. I set some specific technologies here with or
Mm-hmm.
see, for example, API or backend or integration and so on. But most of the time, I don't see like real matches with this because it's displaying some posts related to another technologies. Um, for example, in some cases, I search by .NET and display a job related to Python or something like that. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if there is a specific way to build these queries so I can have better matches for what I'm looking for or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Or there is
Yes.
a specific way to build this.
Mm-hmm. When the results are too many irrelevant results there, that indicates
Mhm.
that you need to go with title search. Because in this kind of projects, they can post the job and they can select many skills. And just because you're going with the broad search, like you're just putting there the words, it brings you the results where you can see the skill tags. For example, there is the .NET skill tag, but the job post is requiring Python. Okay, so when you go with the title search, it brings you the jobs that mentioned .NET in their title, and most probably that's going to be something interesting for you. Did you try the title search, Carlos?
No, I would try with that one, and I will let you know
Yes.
how it works.
Try different options. Try the phrase option in the advanced search. But most usually, when you're getting too many irrelevant results, the title search will work for you best. So please try this one and keep us posted
Okay.
if this really brings you relevant results. So different professionals for different jobs, there are several options that are going to work in the advanced search. So I guess the title search is the most the best version for you.
Okay. Perfect. I will try that, and I will keep you posted
All
in the
right.
school. Thank you very much.
Okay, then we'll wait for updates for you. And if you don't have any questions, we will continue and start the masterclass. First of all, hi guys, Jonathan, Rafael, Maria, Luis. How are you doing, guys?
It's nice to be here.
Doing
Just doing.
great, thank you.
Doing well, thank you.
Good. Okay. Maria, great job with your profile. I saw it. It really looks great. Yeah, thanks for implementing the recommendations so fast and so precisely. So yeah, again, great job. However, how are you doing?
Yeah, thank you. Actually, last class was really valuable for me. I take a lot of notes and literally I did like everything we said in the class, so that really helped me out. But yeah, I still need to work on a portfolio and things like that. I don't remember the other part, but yeah,
Mhm.
it's been really valuable these lessons.
Yeah, good to
Thank you.
hear. Great, great. Okay. Rafael, I'm meeting you for the first time. Can you tell us more about your experience? Why you decided to join Upwork? What do you want to sell there?
Sure. Thank you. Well, I am Rafael, and I enter a six-figure engineer program because I am trying to generate my own software agency project.
Mm-hmm.
I have more than 15 years of experience as a web developer. My technology stack is over PHP and all the technologies that are related to that. And yeah, currently I have like a normal work for a company in the USA as a tech lead. I manage a small team of developers. So my intention is start to transition into an own project. It's very important for me for have more time for my family. I am about to have my second baby. I have one of he's a boy. He's 5 years old, and the second one comes in a few weeks probably. So yeah, nervous. But yeah, that's my story. And I start to take the Upwork program. I needed to make some movements in my schedule in order to start to take the classes, etc. And yeah, I am very excited because I am doing important steps forward with my project. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Awesome introduction, and congratulations with the baby. Hope everything goes well and you celebrate your new kid in your family, and hope you have this independence that you're looking for very, very soon. Yeah, that was kind of my story as well. So I was having this like I was going to freedom with Upwork, and I have one baby. So yeah, this platform gave me the freedom to generate income and also be there with my family whenever, however I wanted. So yeah, you're doing great. So you will have these results, I'm sure, because you have this purpose in your mind. Yeah, so it's nice to meet you. Please make sure to follow me in the community to see my posts, and so that I could also see your posts. And the community is always there when you have questions. So besides these sessions, you can post there your questions, and we can discuss, answer everything there. All right. Okay. Now, Luis, can you hear us?
Yes, yes. How are you?
Okay. Yeah, we are meeting you for the first time as well, right? So,
Correct.
yeah, please tell us more about you and your experience and what you want to sell on Upwork.
Yeah, I'm these couple days I've been working on that, trying to put in order my ideas. I have over 20 years of experience working with software and from different
Mhm.
roles as a developer, tech lead, architect, and more recently as a and also I have experience in many technologies and doing different kind of type of applications. So yeah, the maybe
Okay.
the problem
You're
here
stuck.
that I'm trying to put in order is to focus on what, because I don't know if I should expect to offer everything what I know or try to focus on something specific. Most recently I've been working or I have done like 3 4 different projects using the new AI tools where I can build
Mhm.
application faster without coding too much. So I don't know if maybe that could be one of the areas that I can focus. But yeah, I would like also to have your feedback so I can
Yeah.
put together my outward profile that I'm working right now on that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for introduction. Yeah, that's a good question. And I guess you have lots of experience in different things. That is why it is hard for you to decide which direction to choose, which is a fair question. So, whenever you want to try your niche focus, think about your, first of all, your natural strengths. You can be great at many different things, but there are certain things that you enjoy doing because it is very easy for you to do because this is a natural strength to you, right? Or maybe with an extensive experience, something is way easier for you to do. You are very efficient, you are way productive in certain things. So these are natural strengths. So we're putting here your strength, and we are putting the market demand. As you will go over the Upwork module, learning about Upwork or asking your questions, posting in a community, try different searches on Upwork. Okay, try different queries, see what's the demand there for different kind of jobs, different specialties, skills, right?
Okay.
So you're putting there your strengths and find the place where your natural strength and the things you love to do overlap with market demand, right? For example, just bring some random thing. You like website development, you like Webflow, for example. And you can see that there is a great demand for Webflow in the market. So here is the thing, you see that overlap, right? Or you spoke about the AI, which is like very relevant thing to think about, because when it comes to AI, it is very, very demanded in all service categories. So consider queries regarding AI and plus your specialties, your stack, etc. Okay, so put together what you love, what you enjoy doing, where are you very efficient, where are you very strong, and you're genius in something. You enjoy something more than anything you did before, okay? And where the market has a clear, like you can see there is really a great demand for these services, for these skills. Okay, so find the place where your strength and demand overlap. And this is not an easy job actually, but Upwork is great because there are lots of job posts and you can clearly see what is client looking for. So you can clearly find your niche when you are doing the job search. So try different queries, find 20 to 30 job posts that you find super relevant to the services you want to provide on the platform, and extract the exact phrases the clients are using, the keywords they are using, the skill tags they are selecting when posting a job. And you will be able to build your profile on this data. We have lots of posts, we had sessions. I will send you some material, some previous posts, session summaries, recordings you can relate to build your profile. But because you need to first decide what is your focus, do the queries, do the search a lot, and think about your strengths. This is for you to start thinking about and doing along the way. And of course, keep us posted if you have any questions. We can build your profile together. We can choose your niche focus together. All right?
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I will move on that, because I already did some quick queries, but maybe that's the confusion that I have, because I didn't see a clear demand. For example, I see some customers asking for a specific application. They have clear requirements, but in other cases, the customer doesn't tell you what exactly they need. Even they don't asking for a specific technology. So that's why I'm thinking if I should do like a mix, offering like some kind of service, like I don't know, like building faster applications using AI, something like that, plus consulting services to help those customers that doesn't really know what they need at the beginning.
Yeah,
So
that's a great positioning idea, actually.
mhm,
Yes. So
okay.
also remember that you will have there a general profile and also two specialized profiles. So in total, you're going to have there 3 profiles. So 3 different ways to build a positioning on Upwork. So with one profile, you can go with building apps faster, easier, more efficient way using AI. And with the other one, you can go as a consultant, as someone who can clients talk to understand what they need, or to discuss their ideas with you, or to put together a plan. So you can have this different positionings there. And
Okay.
also if you are thinking about a bundle service, for example, you can do the consultations with them, discuss the project, do the project plan together, and you are the developer. You are actually building the application. That's another great idea of positioning. Is just you really need to understand the demand on this kind of services, because right now the competition is tough in any service category, especially in development, in software development. So clients coming to your profile, they need to see you as an obvious choice, and your profile need to tell them that, okay, when they're reading your description, they need to see that this guy is doing exactly what I'm looking for. You need to make sure that there are lots of people who think that your profile is a perfect match to what they're looking for, right? So there should be a room to specialize. So you are going with a clear positioning, which is great, but there need to be a room. There need to be a demand for this kind of service bundle, right? And to understand what they're actually looking for, there's only one way, the job search, which I guess you're going to do from today.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. I'm taking note of everything. So yeah, I'm gonna move on that
Yeah,
today.
sure. You will have the video recording as soon as we finish, and I'm going to post the session summary tomorrow. So that is why, guys, make sure to follow me to see the session summary and the recording posted in the community.
Great. Thank you for the guidance.
Sure. All right. Eduardo, how are you doing, my friend?
Good morning, Lucine. Doing great. I was just in a meeting with a client from Upwork, and it's the same as what Luis was mentioning. This client, they didn't mention any technologies.
Yeah.
They didn't mention like a lot of the details in the project, and they turned out to be a very serious person from Latvia. So it's from Europe, and they, yeah, it's going good. It's going good, honestly. How about you?
Sure. I'm doing great, thank you. Reading your interesting posts in the community, your interesting questions, and commenting on the post, and also, having some ideas on my LinkedIn posts. Because these are actually like interesting questions to answer to Upwork freelancers. So yeah, great job, guys. You're doing great in the community. Please stay active and please keep us posted, because whatever we discuss together, whatever we build together, I feel like it is very, very strong.
Yeah, trying to be more active. Nice to be here with everyone. I see a couple of new faces. Nice to see you all.
Thank you, Edu. Thank you.
Lucine, actually, Ever Abarca here, I think is the first time on an Upwork call. Ever, do you want to
No, actually not.
Oh,
we
Ever.
we have him. Yeah, I guess one more time, right? Ever. This is the second time.
The second time, right?
Yeah, this is the second time. So how are you doing? What are you working on right now?
I'm doing great, fine. I've been facing a similar problem to Luis Fernandez. I have a lot of hard skills. I think that so I
Yeah.
try to focus which will be my niche on
Mhm.
freelance career. So I've been used the script that Rafael Reina shared a couple months ago. It's Gemini Gems to optimize AdWord profiles. So with script and thinking about which niche I will choose, I create two specialized profiles, one for DevOps and CI/CD
Mhm.
implementations, and another for full stack. So that's what I'm doing this along this week. If you want to review my profile, I will be glad.
Of course I want. That's not even a question. Can you share the screen so we can review?
I will share it in the comment, and so you can review and
Oh,
share.
yes. Okay. Yeah, I can open it.
Sorry,
Okay.
sorry.
Of course, Rafael.
Sorry for
Mhm.
the- yeah. can you generate different profiles in Upwork? I mean, in your same account, or you need like another email and another phone, etc. How do you generate different profiles? Sorry for the very basic question.
No problem. I got the question. So you as a person, you can have only one profile there on Upwork. So anyone can have only one profile there on Upwork, but within one profile, you can have one general profile and two specialized profiles. We're gonna see this on Ever's profile right now.
I learned that checking the assets that you sent me the past week. Sorry,
Yes.
I, like you can have many specialized profiles. That's awesome.
You can have two specialized profiles. If you are speaking about Upwork profiles, you can have one general one, which is called All Work profile, and two specialized profiles. That's it.
I've been focused just on the title and the description. I already shared my profile.
Yes. I'm opening the profile. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll share my screen.
A lot of information taking so long.
Yeah. No, whenever I'm having the school life, it's becoming very slow opening up for profiles. Okay, we're there. All right. The photo is great. I love it. A clean background, a direct eye. Yeah, looking directly to the camera, your smile, everything just great. Even your white t-shirt is great there. Okay. So please pay attention. Rafael, this is for your question. So here we go. We have the all work profile, which is the general profile. And when clients open your profile, this is the first profile they see. So the all work profile gets the most attention. So you can have different specialization, like different positionings with different profiles, like all work and the specialized profiles. But you need to keep in mind that all work gets the most attention in the search results when people are looking for a talent, or when you send a proposal, a client sees your all work profile's title and the description. The first thing they see, it's actually your all work profile. Whether you are selecting a specialized profile or not, they see your all work profile. So you need to keep in mind that the all work profile gets the most attention. And also, if we talk about the algorithm, the Upwork's huge algorithm, again, the keywords you target with all work profile play a big role for the algorithm as well. Okay, so it is way easier to rank for keywords which you use in your all work profile rather than in specialized profiles. This is what I see with my experience working with different freelancers who we optimize their profile for. So now about Ever's profile. Okay, you're starting with a hook. Complex infrastructure or application challenge. Yes, please.
Sorry, I've been focused more on the specialized profile, so the general
Yeah,
profile,
yeah,
because I
sure.
really didn't do it. So
Okay, just wanted to see this one as well.
So only to close the question and organize my mind. Do you mean that probably the best approach is to special my main niche in the all work profile, right? Because there
Yes,
there are
correct.
the keywords and all the stuff in order to being better positioned.
Absolutely right.
Okay.
Yeah, your main
Probably the
direction.
secondary
Main
niche or the generalist profile can be in the specialized part
Correct.
of Upwork. Okay, good.
Yeah, absolutely true. And also not only the positioning, but also like, for example, I'm looking at Ever's profile and I can quickly see that he's a full stack developer and he's also a DevOps engineer. So you're also helping your client to understand your specialties, your two directions very quickly. And it is always we say that you have like approximately 6 seconds for your client to understand what you are doing, actually what you are delivering, what is your expertise, what kind of businesses you help, what kind of problems you solve, what solutions you give. So specialized profiles really give you the opportunity to show your client very quickly what you are doing. Daniel, you have a question? Yes,
Yes,
please.
yeah, thank you so much. Actually, I do have a question regarding because it's a specialized profile, right?
Yes.
How niched should that be? Meaning, if I'm in let's say I'm in the music industry, so I'm a senior
Mhm.
full stack developer in the music industry, helping, I don't know, record labels to create a website or something. Is that
Mhm.
way better, or how do you niche it down? Because here I understand that he's a senior full stack developer, but I just
Mhm.
see it like more general than specialized.
Mhm. So I do not want to suggest one way of niching down. For example, you can have your all work profile with a specific niche. As you said, like music, okay? I'm a developer and my industry is like I work music, I work production companies, okay? Just keeping in mind that all work profile gets the most attention, you need to be very specific here about your main target niche. Okay, so you can keep the specialized profiles more general, just speaking about the specialty. So it says full stack development. You can be here a general full stack developer. It's still okay. And by saying general, I don't mean like all general. For example, here he is bringing his specific stack, right? He's bringing his like networks like Node.js, Angular, and he's also an API expert. So he is like, we understand that he's a full stack developer, but we clearly see his stack, okay? What kind of frameworks he's working in and his other expertise. So one thing that he's missing in the specialized profile is an industry, a niche focus, which is okay. You don't need to like mention a specific industry all the time. It is just recommended if you at least mention what kind of companies you help. Okay, if you do not know the niche, for example, you don't want to say that I work with, let's say, SaaS companies. You don't want to name a niche. You can bring several niches if you don't want to go with one niche. For example, SaaS, startups, fintech companies. So close related niches, industries, like several, not many, but several that are somehow related. Okay, or you can go by company sizes. For example, you're helping small to medium businesses, or you can go with the growth stage of the company. I'm helping growing companies, or I'm helping established businesses. There are people who do work only for corporations. That is still a niche. That is still a specialization, narrowing down the niche.
Okay, okay. Should I add the specific niche on the title or in the description?
Yes, if you have this one niche in your mind, yes, it is much recommended if you put in title as well, because optimizing the title plays the biggest role in profile optimization. You can have like 10 times mentioned one keyword in profile description, but mentioning it one time in title will play a bigger role in terms of the algorithm, like understanding your keyword, your target keywords.
Mhm. I have another question, Listen. Thank you so
Sure,
much actually for the
sure.
insight. Um, if let's say I've been working for like 5 years in a company, right?
Yeah.
I'm just starting as a freelancer and I don't know my specific niche. And I just assume, for example, let's use that my passion is music. So I just want to get my first client on the music industry, but
Mhm.
I haven't worked there, right? So how can I tailor for a new industry? What do you recommend to do in this case?
Mhm. You can do that as long as you feel like you have this knowledge. For example, you might not have the expertise, the actual experience in this industry, but you've taken some courses. Maybe you have some certifications from, let's say, Udemy, any platform that is doing this like really good courses, and you feel like you're confident to going and serving this industry. It's just it is obvious that you cannot start with very high prices when you are just a starter in an industry. So if it's like, okay, this is your passion, yes, go and do it, making sure that you have this knowledge. And I guess if you are a professional in something, for example, you are a professional full stack developer and you have a passion in a specific industry, then you can definitely learn and you can manage that project as well, as long as you are expertise in your stack, for example. Rafael, you have a question?
Only a comment, maybe to complement that,
Sure.
but I think, Daniel, that also it's important to focus on the experience in the process that you have. No, probably the music is your passion, and probably you have no experience in the highest leagues of the industry. But yeah, you can start checking in what part of this patient you have experience, maybe as an amateur musician, or people that start making some covers, I don't know, or to one start to exposition in platform, social platform. I mean, in that you have experience, probably not
Mhm.
in the highest part, but in the meantime that you are running that way, you can take advantage of the steps that you already walked before.
Yes, thank you for the comment, Rafael. Yeah, actually, that's a great thing to add, because why we are saying your natural strength. So if music is your passion, you are enjoying music, that means you have something there in you, right? About music. You have something. You have a gift. You have something from above, right? So it means with little experience, with little help, like learning a little, you can go there. As long as you feel like this is something that can be mine, something I feel like it's in me and I enjoy doing it. Whatever you enjoy doing, I believe it is easier for you to do than for anybody else who is not enjoying that. You are efficient in everything you enjoy doing. So yes, a great addition to what we talked. Yeah, thank you, Rafael. Okay, now guys, let's back to Ever's profile. Okay, so as we noticed, this profile is about full stack development. Okay, so here we go. He's mentioning that he is partnering with businesses and startups. So he has some specific niche here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is his services. Okay, here I recommend you go with bold letters, so I can easily read your services quickly without reading the further description. Okay, because I want to see quickly the list of your services without reading the whole thing. Okay, so bold letters for the headings and also the key service descriptions. Okay, core technology stack. Okay. And he's also bringing like his specialization as Node.js Angular expert, okay, who can own your product's development and deliver a rock solid application. I am okay. Let's schedule a call to discuss your product roadmap. Yeah, a great call to action, very specific. I really like it. A simple. So what I noticed with freelancers that they use this ChatGPT call to actions, which are like quite long and they're more like about lyrics. I don't know what they're about. So a call to action needs to be this specific. What's the next action your client needs to take and what they are going to get from that action? Okay, so let's schedule a call. So he is calling from them to schedule a call with him so they can discuss the product roadmap, right? So this client understands that if I do not go with this freelancer, at least I will discuss my product roadmap. So they're already seeing a value in doing the next step with this freelancer, who is ever. Okay, now let's go check the skills and expertise. And please, guys, pay attention. In our profile, you have a limitation of 15 skill tags you can add here. By the way, do you have all 15? I guess no, you have only 10. So make sure to add 5 more skill tags in all work profile because it's again, the algorithm is checking everything on all work profile first to match your profile and your proposal with your client's job post. Okay, so make sure to have all 15 skill tags there. So again, how are you extracting skill tags? Yes, please, who is there? Anyone has a question, guys? I heard someone talking. Okay, guys, just raise a hand if you have a question, all right? So what I was saying is that if you go check this and check the job posts and select 20 to 30 job posts that you feel like a super match to your skills and services you want to sell on Upwork, and if you copy paste the skill tags the client selected on their job post in one document, you copy it all, you give to any AI, let's say ChatGPT, and you ask them to extract 15 skill tags for you, they will do this job perfectly. So your job here is taking the 15 skill tags that are mentioned the most by your potential clients. Okay, so no guesswork, just data from Upwork Marketplace. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I wanted you to pay attention to this. So you have 15 skill tag limitation here. And if we go to the specialized profile, you see you can add as many skills as you want. And he added like literally all the related skills to full stack development and his expertise specifically. Okay, now let's check DevOps profile as well. Okay, yeah, this one with the bold letters is better because I can easily read it.
I was trying to add that bold font because the tool of the Upwork doesn't have a tool for bold. But you told me that description I have to remove, no? That
the bold?
That bold letters.
Yeah, and I think I told you to remove some of the emojis because there were too much. But a limited bold letters actually help to read the most important information, most important part very quickly, right? That is why a limited bold letters for only headings and for like key, let's say, services, okay? So with these bold letters, I can easily like first read ship code faster, increase reliability, optimize cost, scale with confidence, okay? without reading the whole text. So the headings I recommend as well, or use the spacing. For example, before my core expertise includes, add one more space. So the sections are efficiently separated. Okay, I want to see separate sections there. Okay, here you have established businesses and SaaS companies. So yeah, again, another great niche. Yeah, and here we talk about CI/CD, AWS, GSP. Yeah, everything's great. And the skills and expertise. Yeah, so here are DevOps specific skills. Okay, now this send me an invitation part. Why I do not like invitation, like call to action, speaking about the invitation, because to send you an invitation, they need to have a job post there, and they need to do the separate talent search here to find your profile and to send an invitation for you to have a look at an existing job. So most probably they are going to check your profile when you already sent a proposal to their job post. Okay, so the call to action, send me an invitation, most probably is going to be irrelevant. Okay, so do not need to put there send me an invitation. The last part, I guess, is very good. Let's schedule a brief discovery call to map out your automation strategy. Yeah, brief discovery call. Discovery is usually the first phase of this kind of technical project. So yes, that's a great value for your client. Okay, so they feel like I can have a discovery call for free. Let me schedule a call, even if I do not go further with this freelancer, right? So a specific action call, and for what? To have this brief discovery session with the client, okay? All right, let me see what else. Yeah, I guess that's it. You just need to like separate the sections properly, and just help the client read the description faster and take the most important information easier. All right?
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
I just I have one question.
Sure, of course.
My portfolio section is empty already. I start to upload all my projects to my GitHub and make visible them. But the most of the project that I work is for private clients. That I mean is I can show the screens or the code that I made for them. So how can I even create my portfolio with that case? In that case.
Yeah. It's not only you. Most of the time, you cannot share the code you have in GitHub. So what you can always share is the process, the problem or the challenge, right? The solution and the results. You can have there, for example, if we're talking about the full stack development and you create a web application, you can put there the screenshots of the web application, like some great looking screenshots of the application, different pages, right? So you still can put there the visuals and bring the project as a case study. And by saying a case study, I mean the problem or the challenge, the solution, and the results. Okay? If you can speak about the client who you build this web application for example, that is great. If you cannot tell the company name, you can still tell their niche, right? For example, this was a fintech application. You can put there the niche. Of course, aligning your portfolio with your profile description. So if you are saying you're helping startups, you can put here in your portfolio fintech startup. Now, as a client, I don't care much who is this startup exactly, but I can see that you have an experience, you've built something for fintech startups, okay? So think about aligning your portfolio, the project you want to show with your profile description, with your positioning, with your niche focus, and bring there the visuals. That's what usually clients want to see. And you can still, when having a call with them, you can show some part of the code, maybe, right? Just doing the call with them. So, but with the portfolio, yes, you're right. You cannot show many things, but you can always bring the project as a case study, and you can always bring the visuals.
Awesome. Thanks for your answer.
Okay. All right, guys. Anyone else want to share with us their profile? Okay, if there are not other people who wants the profile review, let's just go back to general questions regarding Upwork, whatever you're interested in, guys. We have like 7 minutes left, so if you have questions, this is your time. Okay, guys, we'll talk to Alberto. Can you hear us, Alberto?
Alberto Gallegos, estimado, ¿nos escuchas?
Oh, okay. Alberto cannot speak. It's okay. Okay.
I think we're good, actually.
Yeah. Okay, guys. If there are no other questions, yeah. Yes, Maria. Maria is raising a hand. Yes, please.
Yeah, I have a question, Lucine. What do you think about the bidding when you're doing a proposal in Upwork? There's always this part that you can bid connects to like boost your proposal. What do you
Yeah.
think about that?
Boosting the proposal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I would say there is one formula to this. Of course, you can try like different strategies, but there is one thing I recommend to everyone. Only boost the proposal when you find it like a super match to your profile. For example, you also have there a portfolio in this exact niche. You feel confident you can win this project. So you feel like I'm gonna get this job. If you have this feeling, this gut feeling, go and boost the proposal. If not, be very like I don't want to say be greedy with your connects, because you need to invest in Upwork to get a project, but just calculate your costs and try to be efficient in bidding. So yes, whenever you see there's like lots of possibility, like it is close to 100%, go and boost the proposal. And you can also like target the third place, the second place, not necessarily the first place. You want to boost the proposal for, because these three proposals are clearly seen to a client. Okay, and also keep in mind that your proposal is also visible, very visible, when you have this best match badge on your proposal, which is you're getting with an optimized profile, a profile that is matching to your client's job post. How do they match? Your profile title matches to the job post. Your description matches to the job post. Your skill tags, the client selected the same skill tags as on your profile. So this way your proposal is also visible. So this means that you need to make sure your profile is 100% optimized and aligned with your potential, with your desired ideal client's job post. So at least you have this best match badge and you don't need to like always boost the proposal to be visible. Okay, so if I give you a formula, just make sure your profile is 100% optimized and boost the proposals that you feel like this is 100% match to the skills, and I have a proof in my hand, I have a portfolio I can show and prove that I am the best fit, I am the obvious choice for this project.
Got it, Lucine. Thank you. Makes sense.
Thank you. Okay, guys, any other questions? Last call for the questions, and I guess we're good to go. So I wish you a great day. Your day is just starting, and I'm ending another great evening with you guys, and I'll see you in a week.
Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you very
See
much,
you.
Lucine.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Lucine.
guys. Thank you. Bye.